In automotive after-sales, every second counts. Meet After Sales Portal, the SAP native platform built for dealers, importers, and the brands they represent. One platform, two completely different faces. ALJ in the Gulf, Subaru in Europe. Same powerful engine underneath, fully white-labeled for each brand. Every dealer starts their day here. All outstanding claims, KPIs, priorities in one view. No digging through systems, no missed deadlines. Safety recall detected? The system flags it automatically and blocks claim submission until the issue is resolved. No manual checks, no risk of missing a critical safety step. Then, with one click, it pulls in all the technical data for you. Part numbers, labor codes, repair descriptions, all filled in automatically. Fewer errors, faster processing, full compliance built right into the workflow. Forget printed flat-rate manuals. Technicians tap the part on the vehicle diagram. Repair times are added to the claim automatically. Visual, fast, error-free. For importers, full visibility across the entire fleet. Recall execution status per vehicle, per dealer, per region. One click to export for regulatory reporting. On the workshop floor or at the front desk, After Sales Portal adapts. Desktop, tablet, mobile, wherever the work happens. After Sales Portal by Hicron, SAP native, built for automotive, loved by dealers. Because after the sale, the real relationship begins.